Hello and welcome to Cosplay Crafts and More. I'm Danielle and I'm so happy you are here. Today I'll be starting a new project, and as such I'll be showing you the patterns and plans. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be starting a brand new, very easy project. It's a bone pillow, but instead of filling it with polyfill, I'll be filling it with rice. For this project, I will be using this pattern from my childhood. My mom bought it from the Young Sewers, which is who I learned how to sew from, for $3. For the fabric, I will be using this beautiful blue floral that I got from Hobby Lobby for $3. I needed 3/8 of a yard, and it was on sale at the time I purchased it. The next thing that you'll need for your pattern is your notations. If you don't know what your notations are, please check out the video linked above on how to read patterns. For this pattern, I will be using this blue thread that I already own. The pattern also calls for polyfill, but as I said earlier, I will be filling each bone with rice instead. For this, I bought a 20-pound bag of rice from Walmart for $11. However, I will only use 3 pounds in this rice bone. That means for this bone, it only cost about $1.65. I will also be scenting the rice with this oil, scented with ginger root and yelling flower. My mother-in-law very kindly lent this to me. Overall, this project cost about $5. Now that you know what the patterns and the plans are, you are ready to get crafting. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!